Wadhi kaunti ma Homa Bay, kweth jotelo ma wakeyni wuok oko ka kwedo wach nek mar mine kod nyithindo manyiri ma odwa jimbore pacho ka. Gikoyo piny owacho mondo many yore mosiko miyalo tiekgo nek ma kamago. Kotelni kod jambetre mar riwruok mar piny mangima mano UN Habitat e Kenya Nakhumicha kod gavana ma Homa Bay Gladys Wanga jotelo koni kit nek ma kamano kelo luoro ne mine kod nyithindo manyiri ma nyaka many kaka itieko ne giloso skul nyiri ma ogenya kar chung'o bura makara Chuo kinde chenro ma jiwo jopuonjre manyiri. Nakhumicha mane wendo modhiale nyasi no koni dongruok e weche hera kind nyithindo manyiri maduogo kethore e yo ma ok ni kare ma bende osemiyo nek ma kamano jimbore.
The girls' dresses is roots to the year 1984 when it was established.
So, seeing it is now becoming actually a crisis that you are finding many young girls. And what really is of concern to me is that the girls that are ending up in this femicide being killed by men are young girls in campus, in university. You know, they're just at the prime, you know. And I really want to condemn the perpetrators and to ask the men who are here with us. Earlier we were with the governor, who I have asked him to take lead, that really the men now must live up to their being men, to be protectors of the society.
Within this policy, we are working on structures that can help us report cases. We are also sensitizing communities. We have community engagements that also enlightens people. They also give pointers to initiations or early stages of violence. We also give them clear referral paths. If you face a violence, whom do you talk to?
We're just working hard, okay? So there is value in hard work. There is value in doing the right thing at the right place. There is a Bible verse that says there is a time for everything.